Saturday, 15:32, 49 seconds, year 2022, the month, 8th month, August, the 6th day. And we pulled this one off, the sprocket. And listen to this fucker. Hear that? Even when I was unloosening the bolt came off very easy. I thought it stripped. Not very easy, but easy enough, because there wasn't a whole lot of tension on this. But as the bolt was turning, I heard this like, what the fuck? Boiling water from a radiator? That's what it sounded like. And so I'm thinking to myself, okay, pull the fucking seals out of this fucker and grease it, because this is original equipment. And I marked it. I got 2 marks right here with the black. 2 marks, the black. One there and one over there. And I marked the belt too. And I kept the other one pulled. Here, I'll show you. I kept the lower one pulled. This one down here. This one here goes here. I kept it pulled because that put a lot of loose tension, loosens the belt up. And I marked the belt down here too with a couple. So everything's, we don't want shit to fucking get loose. So I marked the belt there. Get your flashlight. So there I marked the belt. So that's that. So, and then I played with this one up here, the main tensioner up there. And it seemed a little bit loose. I shook it, and then I re-torqued the bolt on it, and fucking, it had lost its torque. I torqued it to 27 foot-pounds, and it was loose. I started turning it, and I had to keep turning it to get it back to 27. So I went inside the book and redid the torques for that fucking bolt right there. It's a T2 bolt. See there, T2? You come down here to T2, and that is a 26 to 32 foot-pound bolt. So I just torqued it down to 33. I torqued the other ones down to 33. I'm going to torque them all to 33. Anyway, so this right here, I would have to get a new one. Or like I said, I'm gonna pop the seals on this and put some grease in it. It's got seals on both sides. And then I should be able to just hammer them back in. Use a pick and a screwdriver, pop them out. Because like I said, when oh, here it is right here. I popped the seal on this sucker. I popped the seal on that and greased it up. So there's the metal cap, but underneath it had a rubber seal that was similar looking, just like that. So I should be able to pop that seal, put some grease in it. If not, then we can just, if we can't get that thing greased up, then we just let the car sit here. We just let it sit there. I put it back on and just let it sit there, all apart and everything, and drive this car to work all week, and go to eBay and order an original OEM sprocket right there. So anyway, that's that. Until the next part, we'll see what happens. You'll probably want to watch me how I picked this fucker apart. That's probably what you're going to want to watch. So we'll get that on the next vid. There you are. So next vid.